paper thin, smudged by tears and time worn in. The ink still whispers what you meant. Every line a heart have spent. And though the years have washed away, your ghost still knows the things I say. Letters in the rain, fading in the street. Your name dissolves beneath my feet. Every drop of memory I can't contain, still reading love in letters in the rain. The city sighs, the night stands still. I trace the words that time can't kill. Our promises like paper boats, drowned softly where the river floats. And though your voice is far and gone, the silence plays our favorite song. Letters in the rain, fading in the street. Your name dissolves beneath my feet. Every drop of memory can't contain, still reading love in letters in the rain. So if the storm should fall again, I'll send my words into the wind. Maybe they'll find your heart someday, carried home by rain's bed.